Hi, and welcome to our tutorial video for ISEF Form 1B, found on page 34 of the ISEF guidelines. Starting with section 1A, make sure you use your full name and not a nickname. For example, if your full name is Alyssa but you go by Allie, you will need to put Alyssa. Then you will use a formal signature. For the date, make sure you use a date before experimentation begins. To clarify, in Form 1A on page 32, you put the date your experiment begins, and if you begin the experiment on September 1st, the date in Section 1 must be before September 1st. For the parent's name, please use their full name and not a nickname. To clarify, if their full name is Richard, you would put that instead of Rick. They will then sign their signature and put a date before experimentation begins. For example, if you begin experimentation on September 1st, the date signed needs to be before September 1st. After completing Section 1, Section 2 will be sent in for approval. Section 2 must be completed if you need SRC or IRB approval. For more information on SRC or Scientific Review Committee and IRB or Institutional Review Board, please look at page 4 in the ISEF guidelines. Section 2A will be completed if your experiment needs prior SRC or IRB approval. For example, if the experiment deals with humans, vertebrates, or hazardous materials, Section 2A will be completed. The SRC or IRB chair will then print and sign their name. The date must be prior to the beginning of experimentation. So for reference, if you begin the experiment on September 1st, the date should be before September 1st, but after the dates listed in Section 1. If you conducted the experiment at a regulated research institution, for example, if the experiment is performed at a local research lab or a university lab, Section 2B will be completed. You will also need to complete Form 1C on pages 35 and 36. The SRC chair will then print and sign their name. The date in Section 2B can be completed before or after experimentation. Both dates for 2A or 2B will be completed after the dates specified in Section 1. Moving on, Section 3 is the final ISEF affiliated fair SRC approval and is required for all projects. The regional SRC chair must approve this section after experimentation, but before competing at the regional fair. If allowed to compete at the state competition, the state SRC chair will fill out and approve Section 3. This is now the completed Form 1B. Thank you so much for watching. Have fun and good luck. Thank you.